Okay, here's a problem related to Premiere Pro 2018 and crossfading. So here's a clip on the timeline. This was shot with a smartphone and it contains three different parts. So the first one is showing a car. The second portion between these two markers is showing this metal plate, and the third portion is showing an engine. Okay, so I just pressed the pause key here and I moved with the camera. The problem is, if I cut out this middle portion with this metal plate, then if I apply a transition to the beginning of this clip and the end of this clip, then this metal plate, the cut out portion, still shows up in the video. So let's just do that. So I'm going to this marker, Control K on the keyboard to split it, Control K again, select this one, Shift Delete to delete it and move the next clip to the left. Okay, so we have this one with the tail light and the next one with the engine. So two different clips, and if I right click there in the middle and apply the default transition, then if we go with the left and right arrow frame by frame, then notice, yes, the plate is showing up, although that portion was cut out. So it's still visible. Okay, to avoid this problem, let's do the following thing. Undo first that transition, undo, and then cut off a little bit more from here and a little bit more from there. Delete that middle portion and now add the transition. And now if I play it, notice that metal plate is not showing up. So if you apply the transition and that cutout portion still showing up, just delete the front part and the rear part of the two clips and then apply the transition. Thanks for watching and bye bye.